Hi everyone! For today's video guys, ayun mix ano siya, mga Korean street food. Ayan, nakita niyo yan guys. May steam pusit. At yung napakalaki ng ah, kawa. Pinaglutuan ng ano ba yan, yung gulay. Korean gulay. Ayan, may seafood, Korean pancake, at saka yung lechon guys. Lechon baboy. Ayan. Kimchi. Traditional Korean seafood pancake. At yung pinakamasarap na lechon baboy. Thanks for watching!